This stealthy U.S. fighter jet has been called the most expensive weapons system in the world. Price tag for Lockheed Martin's F-35 Lightning II program, $400 billion. More than 100 F-35s are currently being flight tested, and they're being built to do amazing things, like vertical takeoff and landing capability, a top speed of 1,200 miles an hour, the ability to fly as high as 50,000 feet, and a range of more than 1,300 miles on its internal fuel tanks. Advanced materials and a specifically designed airframe allow the F-35 to evade radar systems that could detect older U.S. fighters. The Pentagon started developing what would become the F-35 in the 1990s as a project to build one fighter for 3 military branches. Lockheed Martin was tapped to build the F-35 in 2001, rolling out the first production model 5 years later. Now the pressure's on for the plane to prove itself. F-35 development is already years behind schedule and millions over budget. Congress's independent watchdog unit, the Government Accountability Office, warned in April that the F-35, quote, has a long way to go to achieve its engine reliability goals. It will need, quote, design changes and retrofits. I'll point out the obvious here. This plane has one engine. So that engine has to be extremely reliable. But the GAO says the engine reliability is less than half of where it should be, and the manufacturer has identified design changes. Pratt & Whitney, which makes the F-35 engine, says the GAO, quote, incorrectly assessed engine reliability. The engine achieves and exceeds specification requirements. A 2014 engine fire briefly grounded all F-35s for nearly a month. More delays could force the military to keep using aging FA-18 Hornets and A-10 Thunderbolts. After over 100 planes have been delivered, it's up to Congress to decide whether to keep the money flowing to fund this pricey plane. Tom Patterson, CNN.